If your mirror shows tired arms but your heart remembers strength, you're a fighter. Don't let age decide your limits. Let's rediscover your power, starting now. Growing older can feel like your best days are slipping away, but that's just not true. Science says you can rebuild muscle, even after 60. Here are 7 powerful secrets to help you regain muscle strength and reclaim your confidence. Secret 1. Never underestimate protein. It's the building block your muscles crave. Aim for a little with every meal. Secret 2. Resistance training is your friend. Light weights bands or even bodyweight moves can make a huge difference, no matter your starting point. Secret 3. Stay consistent. Just 15 minutes a day can transform your strength over time. Secret 4. Don't skip sleep. That's when your body repairs and grows stronger. Secret 5. Hydration isn't just for athletes. Water helps fuel every muscle contraction. Secret 6. Prioritize balance and flexibility. Yoga or gentle stretching keeps you moving and injury-free. Secret 7. Surround yourself with support. Friends, family, or even an online community can keep you motivated. You've got this. Your muscles remember every step, every rep, every comeback. Drop a comment below if you're ready to start your journey. Or share your story to inspire someone else. Age is just your starting line. Let's cross it.